Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Radiating Beauty with myself, Denise. That's me, I'm Denise. Hey, so nice to see you. It is the weekend, and you know what that means? It means that we get to play with makeup. And today was just a very poignant day for me today, because today I am shooting this video March 11th, and March 11th is my mom's birthday. So if you don't know, my mom passed away 2 years ago. It is her birthday today, and I thought, you know, how do you celebrate a birthday when somebody is gone? But in order to celebrate my mom's life before her cancer took her away, I thought it would be a wonderful tribute just to hang with you guys, which is something I love to do, and just to play with makeup and have a good old chit chat. Then just keep watching this video. And hey, if you're new to the Radiating Beauty family, thank you so much for clicking on the video. It's so wonderful to have you. You know, this is a totally chill, laxed, no judge, no stress, kind of like just cash girl session where we just sit and we talk about life, we talk about makeup, we do tutorials, reviews, and some unboxings. And today we're going to have a little fun with all of that. So keep on watching, and don't forget to smash the like button if you like this kind of content. All right, let's get into the video. And I'm sure if you're a boxy charmer or if you're an Ipster, but either way, you know that Ipsy purchased BoxyCharm a couple of years back, and they're merging both of those lines together, so there won't be officially any two separate. They'll all be together. But it sounds like, so far, cross our fingers, that the benefits are going to be a little bit better, and the price is not going up. So I'm not mad about that. And the only reason I left Ipsy was because I didn't want the travel size items. I actually wanted full size items. Now I've been getting full size items. All right, so in case you don't know, this is the base box, and the base box always brings you 5 full size items, which previously we would get one to pick for. One item that would be custom made, and then the rest is a surprise. But come the new April BoxyCharm / Ipsy box combo, we're going to be able to pick 3 of our 5 items, and we're going to know exactly what we get before we even get our box. So I'm not sure if I like it, but I like the idea that I can customize 3 items and still going to have the famous like BoxyCharm drop shop. So there's going to be all kinds of opportunities for some really great discounted makeup, which is what I'm all about. Okay, item number 1 is Aromatherapy Associates, and it sounds so official, and this is a full-size body gel, Revive Body Gel, Energize and Awaken. All right, so let's just open that up. Oh, there's a little foil safety seal in there, and just gonna smell that. Oh, the smell of it. It smells very fresh, like juniper. That's the first thing that comes to mind. Juniper. Is there any eucalyptus in there? Definitely like juniper berries. It's very fresh. I like it. What does it say? Rosemary. That's the other smell. Oh, juniper I got right. And grapefruit. Oh, I love, if you know me, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I love some citrus in my fragrances. The fresher, the more citrus, like I'm all in. It just kind of really, it does really relax, but also sort of energizes, and I love that. So energize and awaken. Yes, it definitely awakens with the rosemary and the grapefruit and the juniper. Okay, item number 2 says it is a lip shine by Mischo, M-I-S-C-H-O. Not really familiar with that line at all. But lip balm, I'm all about the lip balm. I do have some lipstick on now, but can you get over the packaging? The packaging is very, very cute. And it just says it's called Angel. Ooh, so it's like a tinted lip balm. Okay, we have to put it on, so let me just take off this lipstick here, which just happens to be a little Pillow Talk. And let's put on some of this Michao lip balm in the color Angel. Wow, it goes on like silk. I love the packaging. The color is really just kind of like a very, very just, I don't know, like a golden glow to it. Does it have any smell? No, it has no smell, but it's very hydrating, as you can see. I like it. I think it's going to be very nice and very nourishing for the summertime. So I really dig that. Item number 3. So I did get a setting spray of this company. They're called Toy Co. Really like the holographic packaging there. And this is a Prime Collagen. So hyaluronic and collagen primer. Yes, please. The packaging, you guys. Woo. Toyco. This is like the second item that I've received in my BoxyCharm of these guys. And wow, I love it. I love the packaging. And I really enjoyed the setting spray. What I didn't like was the actual mister. So I just literally dumped it into an old Gerard Cosmetics mister bottle. And love it. But dare I say it smells like bubble gum? It kind of smells like bubble gum. Like it's definitely a kind of a slightly sweet smell. Does it smell like bubble gum? Because that would be kind of cool. Don't know that I'd want to wear bubble gum all over my face. And, you know, is collagen going to do anything on the surface of my skin? Probably not. But hyaluronic acid will. The BDB. This is the $1 billion brows. It's a brow conditioner. Condition your brows by day and night. Did I know that my brows actually needed some conditioning? I didn't really know that. So interesting packaging. It's just clear. It's like a clear gel. It's obviously a doe foot applicator. Yep. It doesn't have any particular smell to it. What if I just put it on my brows right now? Would they just start growing like crazy? Like Jack and the Beanstalk? Ooh, it's a very wet formulation. I don't know why I'm doing that over like a little bit of pencil on my brows now, but you know, just thought I'd try because who doesn't like the feel of cold, wet, and sticky? I will have to get back to you on that one because that's a unique product that I didn't really know I needed. You know, that's the beauty of makeup companies. They will give you a solution to a problem you didn't even know you had. So pretty fun. Oh, the last one, of course, a palette. And if you've watched any of my recent BoxyCharm unboxings, you know that I'm all about the eyeshadow palettes. This one, wow, it's pretty cool. Tarte. It is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette from Tarte. This palette is called Sunrise. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what it's all about. Looks like some really nice everyday neutrals. There is the packaging. Whoops. This is a unique, this iPhone 14 Pro Max camera. It's got this unique silhouette thing and it tracks you. But the moment you go out, see that? Kind of is like, yeah, it's kind of blurry, and then right in the middle it's like clear, so clear I could literally count every wrinkle. Yay for me. All right, anyways, let's just have a sneak peek. Ooh, she's beautiful. So here we go. Big mirror on the bottom, beautiful everyday neutral colors, and I just gotta take this little protector off, you guys. That is so pretty. You know, I really love to purchase more colorful eyeshadow palettes, but my everyday go-to like this is just those pretty everyday neutrals. So it looks like we have kind of two more metallics. We have one that is a shimmer over here, and then the rest are mattes. I think that's a pretty nice selection. And what I do like that I see here is we have this light one, which is really nice to kind of use as transitional color, and this one here to kind of darken that outer third. So I do like it, but I am a girl that likes shiny things. Ooh, actually, it looks a lot like my Too Faced eyeshadow I have on today. So let's go like that. Oh, girl, that is very pretty. You know, it's got that sort of patinaed, antiqued, shimmery gold, and it felt very creamy. And this other one called Icon, which is a little bit darker, kind of more in the coppery side of things. Color right there. So that one is so just kind of hard to see, but definitely nice. That one is really, really pretty. Boom. Yeah. So they're definitely, if you're into those very sort of warm, kind of neutral colors, and I do find they look absolutely the best on sort of blue and green eyes, then I think you will really enjoy this little palette. And I don't own a Tarte palette, do I? Sorry, I did. I purchased that crazy one, you know. Hold that thought. I'm going to get my Tarte palette. It was this one. Remember this one? This one was the High Tides Good Vibes palette that came out, I think, in 2019 in the summer. Remember this crazy one? If you ever saw a video that I did a video, so you'll have to look for it unless I link it. And I was so excited. I'm still excited by the look of this palette and the color story and the way it was laid out. It was just so amazing. But I put on, you know, these incredible, like literally like liquid metal. I put them on in the video. And then at some point I rubbed my eyes in the video, and when I tell you it was it was a hot mess. It was a hot mess, you guys, because these glitters in that palette, they weren't made to be eye safe. And anyways, and it literally went everywhere. It was in my eyes. It was scratching. I had to like take all my makeup off after that video, and I had to like rinse my eye out because I was like, it's going to actually scratch the sclera of my eye. It was just full-on drama after that video. It was the craziest thing. And looking back at the video, you only just get a hint that something is awry. It just looks a little off, but you're not sure. Oh, it was mind-blowing. And that was the first time that I ever knew that, you know, eyeshadows could not be meant for your eyes. Like, I'm like, where else would you put an eyeshadow if it wasn't for your eyes? I think they mean in your eyes, which is where it ended up being. Anyways, but these Tartes, these are not those. So anyways, so excited to have this little beauty in my repertoire, in my collection of really building my BoxyCharm inventory of eyeshadows. So again, nice little packaging. It's plastic. It's not cheap. It feels good. It has a nice mirror. It's a 9-pan, which is right around where I'm kind of liking those size palettes. Anyways, you guys, so I'll just have to do a little side look with my Tarte Amazonian Clay Sunrise palette, because again, that is just such a nice little goodie to come with the February BoxyCharm base box, but I'm sure you've seen many of those unboxings. I'm really looking forward to my last BoxyCharm base box, which is coming this March. Of course, I usually get it towards the very last week of March. It just happens to be the way it is. So I'm gonna try out the BDB brow conditioner. I'm gonna slap it on my brows every night. Yeah, starting today. You saw me put it on. It says day and night, day and night. I'm going to put it on, and then we're going to see in 30 days. Do I have bushier boyfriend eyebrows? Is that even possible? I don't even know. But anyways, we will put it to the test. You know, girl, you are going to get the real deal. It's like, I work hard for my money, as do you work hard for your money. And I'm going to tell you the real deal. It's no influencing or de-influencing on my channel. It's just one working gal, one hard-working gal talking to another like you. And again, if you like it, smash the like button. Don't forget, leave a comment down below if you want to see further review other than the brow conditioner and the palette. If you want to follow up on any of these products. So without further ado, I say adieu to you. Like I always say at the end of all my videos, and I know you'll be like, oh, it's just a close. It's not a close when I say that I wish you all an absolutely fabulous week ahead. This is Saturday I'm shooting it, so I'll be posting it on Sunday, hopefully. And I always say, you know, no matter what the day brings, always just start your day by radiating a little beauty. Until then, you guys, take care of yourselves. We'll see you all next week.